My name is Angela Blake, and I have been with Simpatico in the Client Services Department since April 2013. I really appreciate being able to go to Colorado and learn more about SOLA. The trip was extremely beneficial to me in learning more of the installation side of SOLA. It is nice to be able to meet with the people I email every day in person to go over ideas and plans with what will be happening with SOLA in the future. I am excited to be part of their growing process and success. I think being face-to-face with the people I talk to every day really changed my perspective on how I interact with clients on a daily basis. When you talk to people on the phone constantly, you tend to dehumanize them, if you will. There are clients who call me at least a few times every week, which can cause them to turn into just another order or phone call. Once you meet them, it creates a different perspective on everyone who calls or emails. It is a reminder that even if a day gets busy or stressful, these clients are all people, and we want them to have a good impression of the service they get from Simpatico and to remember their experience and pass it on to others. When Todd Neal introduced me to Steve Shope, I could see in his face that he saw me as a person now too, and not just someone he would call to place an order. He also had a lot of nice things to say to Todd about the outstanding service Simpatico has provided, which I know resonated with Todd as well. Building these relationships with people inspires me to give them the best possible experience every time they call me, because I'm not only representing Simpatico, but I'm representing myself as a client service specialist. I had also previously exchanged emails with the general contractor, Andy Tarbutton from West Design, and now that I have met him and seen the installer's perspective on the installation portion of SOLA, I better understand where they're coming from when they call me to tell me something was damaged or missing from delivery. I know what the salon looks like when they're in the middle of an install, where things might be placed, and I have a much better understanding of their timelines so that I know just how urgent an order might be and I can adjust the order accordingly. My two main strengths are communication and empathy, which are very important skills to have when interacting with clients every day regarding issues they may face. I really appreciated the chance to represent client services in person and hope to do so more in the future.